Earth is the element of metabolizing, turning experience into nourishment. It takes what has been, the fallen pine needles, the forgotten petals, and last season's compost, and turns it into something that can feed life again. Time thickens in the soil, where the countless unseen lives of microbes, mycelium, and the creatures of decomposition work in quiet collaboration. Nothing is wasted, nothing is rejected, everything is received.